Music lovers. So I've been sent an ukulele from a company called Strong Wind, and you know I love to unbox stuff with you. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So straight away we've got a little carry case, only a little skinny one, but it's just going to make it easy to transport. Yep, there is a handle, it's just checking. Yeah, little handle, just so you can transport it wherever you're going. Take it to a friend's house, take it to the beach, you know the drill. So this is a mahogany soprano. There you go, nice engraved logo at the top. There's the tuning pegs and the gears. Ta-da! Yeah, lovely wood grain. And a lovely rosette around the sound hole that's engraved. It's almost a little bit Celtic in design. I think they call it waves on the website. I did have a little look. Yeah, I think they call it waves. But yeah, pretty little thing. It's got quite a flat back. Normally, the more rounded the back, the better it sort of projects the sound forward. But with a soprano, they're pretty small and quiet anyway. But let's tune it and then I can do a little song for you and you can hear what it sounds like. Oh my gosh, I felt like it took forever. Yeah, like with all new ukuleles, the strings need a good old stretching, so it will take time, but I don't know that these tuners are particularly amazing because I was turning and turning and turning and it was going nowhere. But yeah, this retails for about 20 quid on Amazon. So this is the kind of, you kind of got to like expect that from a 20 quid uke. Some advice I would give anyone looking to buy a sort of cheap uke, go for the plain wood, because I've had them before. You know how you get the colourful painted ones? A lot of people like them for their kids because they look cute, and they are cute looking. But there's a lot that can go wrong with painted ukes. The one I had was all smudged and it was like rough in places, smooth in other places. There was a painted gold around the sound hole and it was all smudged, and then there was like bits of gold on the back, and it was just a bit of a mess, and it was purely because of the paint. Nothing to do really with the actual build quality. So yes, if you're going to go ahead and buy a cheap uke, plain wood, trust me on this one. And engraved as well is really cool. That's just a little bit better. But I'm gonna keep working on these strings so I can give you a bit of a song someday. Hey, where did we go? Days when the rains came down in the hollow, playing a new game, laughing and a running, hey, hey, skipping and a jumping in the misty morning fog with our hearts a thumping in you, a brown-eyed girl. What do you think, Nibs? She says it's okay.